Yes! Gumastos ang lola. Babe, thank you so much. Tinupad mo ang pangarap ko. Akala ko nagtipid ka eh.
Oh, wow,
nag-camping tayo Try natin.
Magkasama natin paliliparin to. Thank you, babe. I love you.
Para sa ibang tao, yung ganitong klase ng relasyon, kasalanan. Pero sa akin kasi kung ito'y kasalanan, paulit-ulit akong hingi ng tawad sa may kapal. Bukod kay God na piniksa ko, si Jean, ginaid niya ako para mas lalong maging mabuting tao. Tingin ko pag naging mas mabuti kang tao, tingin ko mas grateful si God na ganun. Pero ang masasabi ko lang is talagang alam namin sa isa't isa na nagmamahalan kami.
Sobrang mahal na mahal kita. Tsaka happy ako kasi eto na, ngayong araw na, yung pinangarap natin dati, 5 years ago, after ni Tiffany, eto na tayo. Parang eto na yung last na wish natin eh. Na nasaya ako kasi pagtanda natin, may babalikan tayong memories.
One look is all it took for me to get a little closer, babe. One kiss is all you did to make me fall in love. One heart shot in the dark made you take a big chance and see. One moment I was hoping you would fall for me, eyes wide open. To me, this is heaven.
Sobrang papasalamat ako sa iyo, ma. Kasi madami akong natutunan. Sobrang proud ako na ikaw yung mama ko. Hindi mo alam kung gaano ako kasaya ngayon. Nandito ka. Alam ng Diyos kung gaano ko kayo kamahal ng mga kapatid ko.
Our sexuality is not a choice, but happiness is. You know, when God creates everything, He shares happiness to us. And now you want to build your own family because you want to share your happiness for each other.
So, para sa akin, itong pag-iisang dibdib natin, hindi ito normal. Pero yung love natin sa isa't isa, masasabi ko naman na gift ni God.
Basta lagi mong tatandaan na magkakampi tayo. Sa lahat. Saya, lungkot, lahat ng struggle, hindi kita iiwan. Habang buhay kitang aalagaan, kayo ni Tiffany.
There is faith, hope, and love. But the greatest of these is love. Let your love be genuine. Hate is what is destructive. Hold fast to what is good. Love one another in the affection of friends. Outdone another in showing
I don't need anything. One word is all I heard for me to say it right back to you. One feeling kept me dreaming of all we could do. Eyes wide open. To me, this is heaven.
first time kong ma-encounter na literal na nag-slow motion yung pagdating niya. And talagang nakangiti ako. So, ang sabi ko dun sa katabi ko, may bago tayong employee. Sabi ko, bakit? Hindi ko alam. Sabi niya, ma'am, 2 weeks na po yan nandito. Sabi ko, yayain mo mag-coffee. Pero at that moment, may naramdaman akong something na hindi ko maipaliwanag.
I don't need a lot of anything if I have your love. No money, no fancy things could replace all the hurting, the loving, and all that's in between. If I have you, my love, I don't need anything. I don't need anything.
Oh my God, ang ganda mo. Pwede ko na ba siya i-kiss?
10 years, 20 years, 50 years, 100 years na magsasama tayo. At least may mga memories tayong ganito na babalikan, tatawanan natin lahat. Basta lagi mong tatandaan na andito ko sa kahit sa pinaka-lowest point ng buhay mo.
Kung darating man yung punto na hindi ka na kaaya-aya sa paningin ng ibang tao, sasabihin ko sa iyo ng paulit-ulit na ikaw, Maria Teresa Jean Dalag, ang pinakamagandang nilalang sa buong mundo. I love you.
I don't need a lot of anything if I have your love. No money, no fancy things could replace all the hurting, the loving, and all that's in between. If I have you, my love, I don't need anything. I don't need anything. I don't need anything. I don't need anything.
Ako yung mag-aalaga sa'yo pagtanda mo, na hindi kita pababayaan, na mamahalin kita hanggang sa huling hininga ko. Mahal na mahal kita.
By the power vested in me by the LGBTS Christian Church in the Philippines, I now pronounce you partners in life. You may now kiss